Good day everyone, welcome to our channel. On our today tutorial, we are going to learn how to sew a tie. First of all, you need to have the cutting of your pieces of 41 inches length. As you can see, from here up to this ending, 44 and a half, that is length. After taking the length 44 and a half, then you make your cuttings from here to here, which is 4. I mark it 4. I also measure from here to here. I put 4 and a half. Here is 4, then here is 4 and a half. You can see from here to here. I make my drawing. Then use your tape from this middle. Make sure the drawing line we divide it into 2. After dividing into 2, then you make your cuttings. You cut it. As you can see it, you have cut it here. And from here, since here is 4 inches, here is 4 inches, you mark it. See, you mark it here, then you went to the top here. This is the top. You mark 1.5 inches from here to here, 1.5 inches. So you make 1.5, as I told you. Then that's how you become a slight curve. That's how you measure it. Here still is 1.5 here. You can see from here to here 1.5. So when you reach here, like this middle here, then you become 1.5.2. 1.5.2. So that's how you become a slight curve, a slight curve, a slight curve, a slight curve of this end. Then you bring out your scissors and make your cuttings. You cut it from here. Make sure that you cut it straightly. You can see it. Then you place it here. You place it at the right side. You mark, also mark here. Then you make your cuttings. Also cut here. You can see this is your cuttings here. You make it, then you place it.
Oh, please, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Can you tell us which side of the material you placed on the white fabric?
On the white fabric.
Yes, which side? Is it the right side or the wrong side?
This place is the wrong side here.
Okay.
Then this is the right side here.
Okay.
Then you mark it X.
Okay. So what of the Ankara fabric there?
The Ankara fabric. Here is also the wrong side here.
Okay.
It also is the wrong side.
Okay.
So you place it together. Make sure that the cutting is the same. You place it. Then you raise it like this. Then you cut here.
No measurements?
It's depending on what you want. You can make it 10 or 10 and a half or more. Then you place it again, bring it this side, then you cut here. You cut it. You remember that we cut the same side with this one, but I still reduce it again. There is a reason for that. I'm going to explain. Then from there you bring out, as I told you, this is the wrong side here. Then you turn the wrong side. This is the outside. Likewise here too, this is the outside. Then you turn it together like this. As you turn it together, if you can see that cutting that I made, see the difference here? It's too good. That thing that I cut from this white, that's what make it. Then you mark like this here. From here to here. Then you sew it. You sew from here to here. You also sew here from here to here.
Okay. Are you kind of folding the excess or this excess?
Here? I'm going to sew from here.
Okay.
Then I will make it like this. As I'm sewing from here, instead of me to come here directly, I'm going to take this way.
Okay.
Also, if I come here, instead of me to take here, then I will come here.
Okay.
As I told you, we are going to sew here for the four corner. Then I sew it. Then you use here and cut. You cut it. After cutting this place, make sure you open all this side and iron it. This place. You can see I have ironed it completely. Then you still fold it back again. You fold it back. After folding it back, that place that you sew, make sure that you cut it out. Only the place that you sew, you can see it here, make sure that it's cut out. Follow the exact line that you sew and make your cutting with your scissors to cut out the cutting, the sewing, sorry. Then you can see it here. Then finally you turn it. You make your turnings. After making your turnings, then you still iron it again. You make your irons. After making an iron, then you fold it like this. You make your folding. You can see it. You turn it like this. Okay. From here up to this place. Make sure that it's straight. Then you still iron it to make a straight line here. After ironing, then this line here, these two lines from here to here, you can see it here and here. Then you make your cuttings. inside again. After turning, then you take it back. You see the place that we cut here and here. Then you join them together. Then you sew here from here completely. You sew here from here to here, also from here to here till you sew it completely to the end. I told you we sew from here to here, also to this ending completely. Then you make your turns. You make your turn. Make sure that you turn it. You can see it here. It's outside, but after turning, then this one is going to be placed back inside. It's going to be placed back inside. So you push it inside like this. And as I told you, as you put this thing inside completely, make sure that this line that you sew is at the middle point. Then you use your iron and you sew it. As you can see it, this is a professional tie. As you can see it, this is a complete tie. Then for the last point, yeah, you are going to make your closure. You fold here. I also told you these things, you fold it inside. Slide folding. Yeah. Then you close it with your sewing. For this last side, I have sewn it completely. That's all. You make your folding, as you can see it like this. You make your tie. Thank you for watching. That is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and make your comment, please.